Hello everyone and welcome on this new midweek analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So at the beginning, I'm just so happy to say that many of our signals for the last week are actually going in good profit. As we can see, EURUSD has been triggered from the last Saturday exactly at the given price of the buy at 1.1087. And as we can see, so far it's running in about 65 pips of profit. Let us know please in the comments if you have taken this signal and enjoying those profits. Now, what's next with the Euro USD? That's the big question. Now, based on the daily chart, we can see right here that the pair has indeed made a bullish breakout from this level of a previous resistance exactly at 1.091. And by simply looking at the chart, we can see right here that currently today, Wednesday, is actually the bullish breakout candle. However, this was of course the broken level of a resistance, and here of course the third attempt of the resistance. However, that right here, my friends, is the nearest support to that bullish breakout candle. According to my strategy, that is going to be the best level to rebuy again the Euro USD once it reaches the same level of the broken resistance and respects the previous level of a key support. Another way, of course, to confirm this entry is by simply using the magic of trend lines. And I'm happy to say that I'm seeing actually a lot of comments of people who have been recently applying the magic of trend lines, and so far it's working so well for them, and they are actually able to make profits using this style of trading. So what I did right here is simply draw here a support trend line from this lower low to this higher low, just like that. Now what I will do next is simply drag the very same line that I have just drawn here and just simply place it right here at the nearest level of a key support trend line. As we can see right here, that was of course the nearest level of a key support trend line, which came here also as well as support trend line, and right here we can see recently it was a broken level of a resistance trend line. So meaning the market most likely is going to fall again and retest the same level of a support trend line, respect set, and then it's going to continue the rise. Now of course, if that happens, we can actually expect a higher take profit level, which can be right here as the absolutely highest level of a real resistance at 1.098, which means we have to adjust right now our signal to be just like that. Fantastic. And right now I'm going, of course, to edit the entry to be at 1.0916. 0916 is correct. And of course the take profit level is going to be changed as well to be at 1.098. And that means that we can actually look for around 73 pips profit from the signal, and a safe zone ranging for around 42 pips only. That's everything, my friends, for the Euro USD. Let's now move to the Pound USD. Pound USD has almost hit the take profit level. As we can see, it was a fantastic and very accurate signal. It has reversed exactly from the given price of the buy at 1.294, and as we can see, it has been activated and almost hit the take profit level, making at least not less than 95 pips of profit. Again, if you guys have taken the signal, please share with us in the comments and let everyone know about the quality of the signals. Let's now see what we can do next with this pair and delete the entire all signals, and let's now move to the, we are already on the daily chart. So by looking again at the Pound USD as well, we can notice clearly that we had here, of course, a broken level of a resistance at 1.299. Now again, very similar to the Euro USD, as we can see right here, that broken level of a resistance was also the nearest level of a real support to our entry, which is going to be exactly at 1.299. So let me just make long story short. We will have to wait for the Pound USD to fall to another 36 pips, and that, my friends, is going to be our next level to rebuy this pair again. Now the interesting thing is going to be determining the take profit level, which is going to be a new way that I'm applying here on YouTube. We will actually seek the help of the Fibonacci retracement, and what I will do right now is simply draw the Fibonacci from this high to this low, just like that. Now our next take profit level will be exactly right here at Fibonacci 261.8. Now, the way to do that is always draw your Fibonacci level at the nearest high to the low from the bullish breakout candle. I will make soon another video showing you this style of trading, But however, to show you example of this, maybe we can apply it somewhere else. 1 second, let me just check to be sure. If I'm not mistaken, I did not check this before recording. Maybe it will fail. So what I will do right now is I'm going to connect the Fibonacci from this high to this low right here, and I hope this one is going to be Fibonacci 261.8. I didn't check this before recording, I swear. Maybe it will fail, I'm not sure. Let me see. Oh my god. My god, that's scary. It is 261.8 exactly right here at that level of resistance. So indeed the market kept rising to reach that level of 261.8, and again I swear I did not check this before recording. Anyway, that tells us that most likely we have to wait for the pair to fall to another 42 pips right now, because the pair is rising indeed, and right now we can actually aim at least 84 pips profit from this signal, and a safe zone that should not be ranging lower than Fibonacci 23.6 at 1.295, which means that will be, my friends, our new signal exactly like this. Let me just set our buy order to be exactly at 1.299, and a take profit level that should be at 261.8 Fibonacci, which means at 1.307. So that's everything for the pound USD. Let's now move to the AUDUSD. Of course, not every signal went well. Unfortunately, I'm totally aware. 3 of them failed and 3 of them succeeded. So we will see now which one failed and which one succeeded. However, unfortunately, AUDUSD was not one of them, and unfortunately it has exceeded the safe zone. However, our safe zone, my friends, was really tight with only 33 pips only. However, I would like to highlight that right here, of course, on the AUDUSD, what we have right here, of course, is a broken level of a resistance as well. Let me just delete the old signal. So what we have right here is, of course, a broken level of a resistance at the bracket of 0.672, and the market right now has just simply retested that level of a broken resistance and created here a new level of a support. Now, by looking at the left side, we can see clearly that this was right here, of course, the nearest level, right here exactly. That represents right here the nearest level of a support to that broken level of a resistance. So meaning that would actually have been a way better level to buy the AUDUSD. Unfortunately, I have sent the signal way too earlier than I should be. However, we can fix this by simply sending now a new signal to buy the AUDUSD exactly at the same level where the market has originally reversed from, which means we can actually wait for this pair to fall to another 20 pips, and hopefully we can actually re-buy the AUDUSD again. However, the take profit level is going to be right here at the absolutely highest level of real resistance at 0.679, which means we can look for around 76 pips against 36 pips of a safe zone. That's everything for the AUDUSD. Let's now move to the USD CAD, which I need to fix it like that. Okay. So here is, of course, the USD CAD, and as we can see also, this signal has unfortunately failed as well. Also another tight safe zone of only 35 pips. However, the reversal has just now occurred, so might actually have been a bad entry. I agree with you guys, it was not really the best entry. By looking at the daily chart, we can notice here that we had, of course, a broken level of a support trend line, as we can see right here. So that was, of course, the broken level of a support trend line, and we recently had here the bearish breakout from that level, and right now here we can see the creation of a new resistance trend line. So meaning the market has already been creating here a new level of a resistance trend line, and we can expect to resell the USD CAD exactly here, and hopefully it will continue to fall at least to reach that level of a nearest support to our entry, which means we can look for around 90 or actually 100 pips of profit. So let me just delete everything here and move right now to the 4-hour time frame. I would like actually to sell the USD CAD exactly right here. Actually, it already happened right here exactly at the same level of a real resistance. Meanwhile, we had here, of course, a fake breakout from that level. So therefore, we are hoping for the market to continue the rise again for another 16 pips, and hopefully we can sell the USD CAD again from there. And of course, take profit level will be at the bottom of the support, aiming at least 86 pips of profit, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a key resistance at 1.371, ranging for around 34 pips only. And that's everything, my friends, for the USD CAD. Let's now jump to the NZD USD, which unfortunately has also failed. However, this signal can be also fixed by, as we can see right here, the market right now is finally moving in the right direction. Unfortunately, our entry was not that good. We should actually have waited for the market to fall again to reach the key level of a support right here as 0.607. But again, as I said, we can fix that by simply adjusting now the entry to be right here, almost at the at the edge of the safe zone, to be just like that. Fantastic. So we are just now switching the entry to be right here exactly, as we can see. That is gonna be, in my opinion, a better entry to be at the to buy at 0.606 for a reason. Right here, as we can see, based on the daily chart, we can notice it clearly that we had right here, based again on daily chart, attempt of support number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and finally 6. This is number 5. Number 6. So we had here 6 attempts of a real level of a support, followed later with one fake breakout from that level, when we have actually thought that the NZD/USD now will continue to fall, but instead it just kept rising. And that means that most likely the NZD/USD will fall again and respects the same level of a real support, and after that it will continue the rise. That being said, we have to wait for the NZD/USD to fall to another 25 pips before we can buy it. And look at that. Based on the 4-hour time frame, that has already happened. The market has already respected that level of a real support, as I have stated right now based on the daily chart, which means right here already we have support number 1, and we will just simply wait for the market to fall again, and hopefully it will create support number 2, and after that the market will continue the rise. So again, the signal is going to remain the same. The safe zone is going to be ranging for around 37 pips, and take profit level is gonna let me adjust it right now to make it more realistic and achievable, to be right here at that level of a resistance at 0.616. That's everything, my friends, for the NZD/USD. Let's now jump to the USDCHF, which worked like a charm. USDCHF really was a winner. As you can see, it has reversed exactly from the given price of the sell and hit the take profit level of 78 pips of profit. Again, congratulations for those who have taken this signal. And by the way, this take profit level was actually able alone to recover 2 of those losses from the previous signals, because as we can see, the safe zone, for example, for the AUDUSD is 35 pips. The USD CAD also was another 34 pips, which means USDCHF alone should be actually able to recover any losses. And that is the beautiful thing about Forex, that you cannot expect really winning every day, but however, you can always recover later from your trades. So now what's next with the USDCHF? Actually not much, because I'm still looking to sell this pair based on the daily chart right here exactly at 0.889. As we can see right here, that was of course a real level of a resistance, which was also in the past a real level of a support. And here we have of course one fake breakout from that level. However, the current candle is actually the actual bearish breakout from that level. Now, how do we know that this was the actual bearish breakout from that level? By simply applying here the resistance trend line, as we can see right here. So as we can see, we had here of course a strong key level of a support trend line that indeed has been respected many times. It became here a resistance trend line, lately a support trend line, and that means that the market has already abandoned that channel. As we can see right here, we had here a channel has been abandoned, and of course the bearish breakout is very strong. Now if the market is going to make any pullbacks tomorrow, hopefully it will respect the nearest level of a key resistance, and afterward it will start the reversal exactly right on it, targeting of course that level of a support right here as 0.877, which means we can look for around, let me just make sure it's correct, we can look for around 140 pips profit of the signal. Of course, I don't like to give these signals, which unrealistic, unfortunately. Let me just make sure the take profit level is going to be right here at the nearest level of a key resistance as 0.878, targeting at least 106 pips of profit. Yeah, that's more realistic. However, the safe zone should not be ranging lower than the previous level of a resistance right here exactly at 0.894, ranging for around 53 pips of a safe zone. Let me know, please write the signal for you. And there goes your signals, my friends, for the remaining days of this week. Hopefully it will be in profit, and hopefully we will all make good profits with it. Tomorrow I will see you again, my friends, in another live trading video. Hopefully I will show you how we can reach the account to $4,000. Maybe I will do it tonight, I don't know, let's see. Of course, don't forget also to join our free group of Telegram to receive one free signal every day. And of course, you will receive also updates about these signals that you have received right now on YouTube. Just make sure to join our free group from the description below of the video. You will find the link to join the group. And of course, you can just simply search for Xtreme Trader Signals. And of course, be aware of the scammers who actually pretend to be Xtreme Trader using our name and logo. Thankfully to our good reputation in this business, a lot of scammers are trying to use our name and successful reputation to use it against, of course, the victims and get their money. We never do that in Xtreme Trader. The free group is totally free, and you don't have to pay anything at all, and you will receive one free signal every day. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.